Hey you guys, it's me, Wreak Havoc Studios here, and I'm back with a surprise. Dear Lord, guys, it's been so long. All right. So, as you guys might have known, that I was just at MFF. I'm sorry, not MFF. What am I talking about? It's not even December yet. Okay. Well, so let me explain to you guys what's going on here. I was just at FWA 2018. It was the debut of my new suit. So if you saw me there, give me a high five in the comments and a thumbs up. So this is my first time using a fursuit head in my videos. Yay! Now you guys can get to see who I actually am in suit. Forgive me, as I'm a little slow, because I'm not used to making a suit, or making a video and being in suit. So, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. It's me, Mercy Scarlett Renard. So today, I know I haven't made a video in a while. I know, I haven't made a video in a while. Bad mercy. Why do you think I have the muzzle on? So, I just got back from FWA probably about, I'd say, about a week and a half ago. So, and you know, this is my dance channel. Well, what we're going to be talking to is my experience at FWA in the dance comp. That's what we're going to be talking about today. I did do the non-suit division. So if you guys saw me on the live stream, I was wearing a skull, like a Day of the Dead kind of shirt. And I was also wearing my short shorts with my leggings underneath with my polo shoes on. If you guys haven't seen me yet in the video, do go check it out. It's great. The dance comp was really fun. I got to see Strobes again, my buddy. I got to see T, and I got a little bit of critiques. Now, as you saw, I didn't make it in Floor Wars this year. Well, that was because here's where my opinions start coming in that people don't like, right? So, here we go. I wasn't pleased with Floor Wars this year at FWA. To me, they screwed it up. And, you know, I really hate saying that because all the dancers there were incredible. I watched the prelims. I watched every one of you guys dance. I was impressed. I was impressed that I severely didn't think I was going to make it in with the amount of incredible talent that was in Floor Wars preliminaries this year. This was absolutely beautiful. I saw some heavyset girls getting it on out there. Y'all keep going. Dance, baby, dance. It does not matter your size. Dance. Like, holy crap, some of the people out there are amazing. Like, I can't get over it. You guys are awesome. You guys really are. And it's amazing to see that. And I'm glad to be in the dance scene now. I hope you guys are ready for me in the future because eventually I'll get out there. I'm still rusty. But the dancers out there this year were incredible. Absolutely incredible. So there should have been some that made it more out there. I swear to you. I just couldn't get over how many didn't make it in. That was my problem. I couldn't get over how many people didn't make it in. Man, such a disappointment. Because, you know, one of my friends was out there, Teo Tiger. Shout out to him. He's awesome. He was a half a point away. Wait, are you kidding me? What is half point? What is a half point? I have never, in my years of dancing, heard of a half point. Never. I've never heard of a half point. For any of you that were wondering, I did get scored with a 2. So that means that I was a solid number. If my friend Teo was a 0.5, no, I'm sorry, a 0.1, and there was people ahead of him, that means I was a little farther back than what people thought, which means there was a hell of a lot more competition this year. But even my friend Teo didn't make it in. And he was sitting there on the floor doing spins and floors in 80s breakdancing. I'm sitting here like, dude, come on. This doesn't seem very fair. Every competition I've gone to so far has been extremely unfair, not well organized, and it's a complete bust of popularity. It really is. Like, people don't realize I see the same damn people up here every year. Like, okay, and I know people are going to sit here and say, oh, well, Dushep's back up. Oh, well, there's another character that we haven't seen in a while. Okay, I get it. One thing. One, Dushep is the same person as Gale. Gale is the maid of strobes. Let's just put it that way. Popularity gets the vote. Dushep is the same person as Gale. I hate to break it to you guys, but it's a female in both of those suits. So, again, the previous dancers we haven't seen before. Like when everybody was raving about where Dushep should have won last year. I don't think so. I think Strobes deserved to win last year because that was an incredible performance. I have to give it to you. But, you know, what bothered me so much was just the simple fact that, you know, we just didn't have it right. It just wasn't. I was very disappointed with FWA this year. It wasn't planned at all. I'm sorry, but what dance teacher lets their class run over into another class? I've never seen that. That was very poor executed. I was not impressed. Whoever made in charge of the dance comp, I'm sorry, but they need to be replaced. I didn't say it in front of them. I didn't say anything in front of this because I'm not that type of person. But being a previous competition dancer, I'm a little harder scale than most people. So I have a lot more of a roar to my comments than most dancers would. Because I am a straight up competition dancer. That's the way I've been able to think. That's the way I've been taught to dance. So that's why I want to explain to you guys that, you know, this was very poorly planned to me. This was very unacceptable as a dance comp. You know, it wasn't run very right. Preliminaries ran into floor wars. And for the fact that they didn't tell us even if we were in or not, and they just said, oh yeah, we're just going to call your name if you're in or not. I could have been sitting there doing something else, going to go get my art and artist alley, while I have to sit here and wait to see if I'm in a goddamn competition. Nobody was told if they were in or not. They were just, oh, it's Strobes versus Flinch. It's Strobes versus, what is it, Zip Zap? I don't know. I think I win against Zip Zap. But man, Zip Zap, you did get in, and that was awesome. You did good. You beat me like by, I think, 4 points. But hey, good job, man. You were so nervous sitting next to me. You're all right. You're good. Keep going. Keep practicing, Zip Zap. I have to give a shout out to Beta Monkey. Holy crap, dude. Beta Monkey, you're incredible. Like, keep up the hard work. You know, and I want to tell you guys I want to be making more videos in the future. And you guys are awesome. I hope you guys come and see my channel more. Definitely. Love you guys all. Mwah.